So hello legendary viewers, today in this video you will learn how to take a screenshot on any Windows laptop. So this is the most requested video, so I am using English language. So without wasting time, let's get started the video. So generally in Windows we need to press window key plus print screen to have a screenshot in our device. So you can see here my last screenshot is 144 and I'm going to take a screenshot without pressing keyboards. So how can we do that? You need to follow my step properly. So click on window key and type sniping tool. So I'm going to type sniping tool and you can pin on the taskbar, so it will be easy to take a screenshot in your device. As a sample for a screenshot, I will open Google Chrome. So I will take the screenshot of this home page. So you need to click on that scissor icon. So it is the icon of sniping tool, and I have already told you to pin your sniping tool in the taskbar, so it will be easy to take a screenshot. So you can find here option and it is quite easy. So generally you need to click on new. So drag and drop is the process to take a screenshot on this device. So drag your cursor. So I want to take full screenshot, so I am dragging to the full size. So here you can see our screenshot is ready. You can also even edit. So save snip. To save the file you need to click on save snip. So it is going to save, so it will ask us folder. So I'm generally going to save the screenshot in screenshot folder. So you can also set the file name. So our snipe or our screenshot is ready. So let me show you. Sorry, screenshot. So you can see here our screenshot. So friends, you can see here quality is also high and our screenshot is ready. So this is the way you can simply screenshot. So it is easiest way to take a screenshot in your device. So you don't need to use any kind of keys on taking the screenshot. So I hope you like the video. So if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it. So if you are able to take a screenshot in your device, then make sure to hit like button. So I am targeting 20 likes for this video. So I hope you will complete it. Thank you guys for watching the video.